Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow treats with cereal, full guide. Begin by measuring ingredients and preparing a large, lightly greased pan so the mixture sets evenly. I will walk you through melting butter and marshmallows, mixing in cereal, and pressing the blend with a greased spatula. You will learn simple tips for flavor swaps, storing leftovers, and quick fixes for sticky hands and uneven bars. Start by melting butter in a large pot over low heat and add marshmallows a few at a time while stirring constantly. Remove from heat and fold in cereal using a wide spatula until evenly coated, avoiding overmixing. Press the mixture firmly into a prepared pan using waxed paper or a greased spatula to prevent sticking. Let bars cool slightly before slicing for cleaner pieces and easier serving. For flavor boosts, add a splash of vanilla extract or a pinch of salt to the melted marshmallow for depth. Mix in extras like chocolate chips, mini candies, or chopped nuts after removing from heat to preserve texture. Try swapping in different cereals or using cinnamon, cocoa, or citrus zest for variety. These simple swaps keep the process quick while letting you customize treats for birthdays, school snacks, or cozy nights at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.